जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः।
The Gospel of Holy Mother. Conversations recorded by Swami Arupananda. Place Jairambati, February 1907. One day, the Holy Mother said to me in the course of conversation, whenever the thought of a disciple comes to my mind and I yearn to see him, then he either comes here or writes a letter to me. You must have come here prompted by a certain feeling. Perhaps you have in your mind the thought of the Divine Mother of the universe. Arupananda, are you the mother of all? Mother, yes. Disciple, even of these birds and animals? Mother, yes, of these also. Disciple, then why should they suffer so much? Mother, in this birth they must have these experiences. One evening I had the following conversation with the Holy Mother in her room. Mother, you all have come to me because you are my own. Arupananda, am I your own? Mother, yes, my own. Is there any doubt about it? If a man is the very own of another, they remain inseparably connected in the successive cycles of time. In the course of our talk, I said to her, you must have taken the responsibilities of those whom you have initiated with the sacred mantra. Then why do you say when we request you to fulfill a desire, I will speak to the Master about it? He is referring to Sri Ramakrishna. Can't you take our responsibility? I had as yet not felt the urge to be initiated. Hence the question. Mother, I have indeed taken your responsibility. Disciple, please bless me, O Mother, that I may have purity of mind and attachment to God. Mother, well, I shall speak to the Master about it. Arupananda, why do you only say that you will speak to the Master? Are you different from him? My desire will certainly be fulfilled by your blessings alone. Mother, my child, if you can get perfect knowledge through my blessings, then I bless you with all my heart and soul. Is it ever possible for a man to free himself unaided from the clutches of Maya? It was for this that the Master performed spiritual austerities to the utmost extent and gave the results thereof for the redemption of mankind. Arupananda, how can I love Sri Ramakrishna without seeing him? Mother, yes, that's true. Can one ever have intimate relationship with a mere airy being? Disciple, when shall I have the vision of the Master? Mother, you shall certainly see him. You shall see the Master at the right time.
जननीं शारदां कृष्णं जगद्गुरु पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि।